All right, so this is room 2453, ocean view on the Carnival Radiance. And this one's an accessible room, so the as soon as you swipe the door, there's gonna be two key inserters. Only this one works, and as soon as you do that, the door automatically opens. And you can see it's very wide. So as you come in, there's three drawers here. You have your phone, you have some USB plugs, Carnival water for only $4.75. You do get a few glasses here, so there's more plugs, mirror. So we got the birthday package, and as you can see, it's nicely decorated. We're supposed to get a cake, but we didn't get it, so they're gonna bring that later. But if you do want to celebrate a birthday, that's what the room's gonna look like. So that's the bed, and we're on the back of the ship, so you can see the rooms are very spacious. So Killian's gonna do the bed test here. How's the bed?
It's nice.
Nice. All right. So this is window number one. We're still docked here in Long Beach. You can see the Queen Mary right there. Again, you got all this space. There's your TV. There's some room there to put glasses or drinks. Window number two. Here's the closet. Let's open up. So you can hang some clothing in here. Hang some at the bottom. That's your fridge, safe, life jackets. You can put more stuff in there. So quite spacious. You have another sitting area right here, small table. So yeah, you can see I'm gonna expand here. It's a very big room. You can really stretch out. And then if we walk to the restroom here, you can see it has the handlebar since it is accessible. It's a roll-in shower, so you can just roll in here. Grab bars everywhere. And it's one of the adjustable shower heads. So yeah, this is what an accessible ocean view one is like. And now let's switch it to a regular room. So we're right next door. It's not connecting, but this is just a regular ocean view in the corner back of the ship. All right, and so the regular cabin is 2455. So it's right next door. It is not connecting, so you can see the difference already in the space. Not as spacious. It's still nice. I think this is wider than a normal room, being in the back of the ship. Similar TV size. There's your drawer space right here. Your closet. Similar configuration as the other one, except they don't have the bottom ones for some reason. And then I think in this one, you're going to find that's your safe, more drawer space. On this one, the fridge, I think it's going to be here. So yeah, that's your small fridge. We have our Chardonnay there staying cold. There's our wine. Carnival does allow one wine bottle per person, 750 milliliters. A couple of glasses. That's how we'll be enjoying it. This is the, I call this the makeup area. So it has a lot of, couple drawers, places to put stuff. And then here's where you would get ready. There's your chair. There's the bed. Killian's going to do a bed test. How's this bed?
It's
good. All right, you got a little bit of space here too. And then here's the window, and it's a bit sunken. It's a little bit weird. I think because we're in the back of the ship, but you can see how the way it's set up. There's even you can even put like some space in there. So I put my bag there, but
so the other room, the 88 room, has like USB plugs right on the bed. This one does not.
Yeah, so not sure why the USBs are configured differently, but it's nice. You can turn off the lights from there, makes it convenient. And then here's the restroom, small step. You can see about half of the size as the 88 room, so not too bad. This is, you can hang clothes in here. This moves. And you can just hang your clothing in there. There's your shower, single sink. You can put more stuff in here, a couple towels, garbage. And yeah, that's about it. So regular ocean view cabin, handicap on the other one.